Hey guys, it's your girl Tasha. I'm coming back in with another video. If this is your first time, welcome. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for coming back in. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install your bobbin into your buying machine. So come on, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, now I want to check and see how much bobbin I have on there. When I first got the machine, this is the bobbin that they had in there. And I'm pretty sure you'll load these in the same way as the ones that I'm using. These are the ones that I'm using. These are magnetic bobbins. If you're interested in this type of bobbins, I have included links down in the description box. So see the description box to check out the link to find out more about these type of bobbins. This is what the magnetic bobbins look like. When you get your machine, I can't remember where this was at inside of here, but if you're going to use the one that came with the machine, you need to leave this installed in your machine. If you're going to use a magnetic bobbin, you need to remove this. It was in the bobbin case somewhere. I don't remember, and I don't want to mislead you. But if you're going to use the factory one, the one that came with your machine, these are the ones that you'll have to take and rewind, unwind yourself. I like pre-wound bobbins. I don't like to wind bobbins. So I'm using the magnetic pre-wound. So if you choose to use a magnetic bobbin, do not throw this away. I just take and I put it in a little baggie and just hold it just in case if I had to use the factory bobbins again. So don't throw it away, just hold on to it. And also there's a Facebook group link down in the bottom. If you want more information about the factory bobbins versus the magnetic bobbins, just search in that Facebook group and good information will come up. Also, Tony did a really good talk about the different bobbins as well, so you may want to check that out too. Don't just take my word for everything, because again, I am learning as well. So feel free to look in that group, that Facebook group, to get more information. I wanted to check my bobbin just to make sure I had enough on there. You want to lift this. Pull that. Just slide the bobbin out. And if you're just getting your machine and you're just testing out, just make sure that there's enough bobbin on there before you start to run a test on it. This is the way that it was in the machine. Got the pigtail here. I'm holding it with the pigtail down. And you want to place it in there with the tail coming off to this side, rolling off this way. Go up here, bring it down here, around here, like it's there. Then you want to go behind the pigtail, go behind the pigtail, and go around 2 times. Okay. Just cut the tail off. So hanging about 2 inches from the pigtail. Just install it back in, and you should hear a click. That lets you know it's in there properly. All right, and that's it for checking your bobbin. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching until the end. If you're enjoying these type of videos, learning how to use your BAi as I learn how to use my BAi, please leave a comment down below to let me know. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and remember to please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And until next time, bye for now, but see you in the next video. Bye bye.